Hello, my name is Gio, short for George, and this is another episode in my printmaking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you Dendritic Monoprinting. For this you're going to need a pair of plexi plates, your own acrylic paint and paintbrush, and paper to print on cut to size. What you're going to need to do is take one of your plexiglass plates, and then once you have it set, apply the acrylic paint onto it. Once your paint is set, start painting it across your plexi. Then, you will overlay one plexiglass plate over the other, aligning them so that the paint stays stationary between them. Once the paint is set, you will use your fingers to apply pressure between the plates. This will allow the paint to stick to both. Once your paint is set between the plates, you will slowly and carefully raise your plexiglass, allowing air to seep between the plates. This will create a weaving design within your plexi in your paint. As you can see here, the lines have been made onto the plexiglass. Then you will take your printmaking paper and gingerly apply it onto the paint. And from there you will apply a light amount of pressure using only a pair of your fingers. After a couple minutes of applying pressure, you will slowly raise your paper up. And there you have it, weaving mystical lines of paint among your print. From there, you only need to take your other plexiglass plate with paint and then repeat the same process. And there you have it, a pair of mirrored plexi prints. Once again, thank you very much for watching. If you have any suggestions for this content or prints you'd like me to make in the future, please leave them in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode of my printing techniques. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and have a good one.